여긴 어디? 우린 누구? 잠시 뒤 알게 돼. 수많은 인간 형상들의 존재들이 서 있는 이곳에서 달을 보는 누군가? 인간인가?
Joseph Hawkins, Joe.
가까운 미래, 인공지능을 탑재한 휴머노이드가 대중화되기 시작한 세상. 일이 바쁜 아내로 인해 집안이 개판후분전 상황이 되자 집안일 돌보는 신스를 구매한 주인공 조.
Sorry, more bump for you.
의미 있는 윙크.
Hello, Toby. I'm now securely bonded to you as one of my secondary. Hello, you must be Matilda.
출장에서 돌아온 조의 아내 로라. 깔끔히 정리된 집안을 보고 놀라는데
Hello, you must be Laura.
이게 뭔 상황?
You're taking it back.
I'm not taking it back. 5 days. You're only supposed to be away for 2.
조는 그녀가 왜 집에 있어야 하는지를 열심히 설명합니다.
What's your name?
My name is Anita Hawkins.
We've got a month. A special offer. Over 5 years. Less than we pay for the cut.
5주 전 아니타는 신선터들에게서 도망치던 다른 신스들과 함께 했었는데 하지만 곧 신선터들에게 잡혀버린 그녀. 사라진 그들을 계속 찾아다니던 레오.
Sailor's comeback, okay?
분명히 어딘가로 팔려간 거. 조의 집은 아침부터 진수성찬.
This is what breakfast's supposed to be like.
And you were going to be joining us for breakfast, Anita. I've got some microchip.
그냥 농담이라고 인식시키자.
Anita, you can stop now.
혹시 이거 머그? 휴머노이드를 설계했지만 현재는 백수 신세 할아버지 주지.
You have an original D-series. One of these bad boys can do 10 times what the D-series.
Happy with the one I've got. And my health.
I will be back soon. And if your D-series fails the check.
사회복지사가 나가자 숨겨놓은 구식 D 시리즈 휴머노이드 오디.
Game's over, Odie. You won.
Would you like some toast and jam, George? Your favourite is apricot.
인간이 아니라지만 이미 그는 오디를 아들처럼 아끼기 때문에 버릴 수 없었던 것. 오디와 마트로 향합니다.
Your favourite is apricot.
저런 불량으로 잡혀갈까?
Favourite is
Stand still!
To check in on Sophie anymore.
Of course.
자신의 할 일이 없어진 것 같은 묘한 기분에 감정 상한 로라.
I didn't buy Anita to replace you. I bought her to get you back.
모두가 잠든 밤 충전 중인 아니타. 한편 신선터들에게 잡힌 후 농장에 팔려와 정체를 숨기고 있었던 프레드를 누군가 찾아옵니다.
This was found hidden behind your charging point. Why would a synth need a telephone?
바로 도망치지만 결국 잡혀서 실험실로 향합니다. 방을 정리하던 아니타는 사진들을 보다가 과거의 어떤 기억이 떠오릅니다. 결국 형사까지 현장에 나타나고 난처한 상황에 빠진 주오지.
You had this one for 6 years. It's a record. Why haven't they upgraded you? Someone's been hurt. We have to get it scrapped. Won't even power up. It's junk. But he has to go, George. Today.
정신 차려 오디. 제발.
How are you? It's you and me.
This is you and Mary.
Data may be corrupt.
No.
Memory exception. Fatal error.
어쩔 수 없이 스스로 오디를 정리하기로 결심하지만
I can't let you be recycled.
She cried and laughed. Then at the doctors, she laughed. You laughed too, George. Would you like some toast and jam, George? Your favourite is apricot.
끝내 하지 못합니다. 어린 딸에게 자신 대신 동화책을 읽어주는 아니타를 보며 복잡한 로라.
Sophie, it's time to stop now.
You're just a stupid machine, aren't you?
Yes, Laura.
다음 날
What would you say if I asked you what you thought of this music?
I'd say it's very well played. Ceasefire.
Do you think anything of it?
I'm sorry, Laura. I'm afraid I don't understand the question.
그래 역시 기계일 뿐이야. 그런데 그때
I'm sorry, Laura. I'm fully qualified in first aid.
로라는 아니타가 계속 신경이 쓰이는데 맥스와 단둘이 남아 아니타를 찾으러 다니던 레오는 아니타와 함께 잡혀간 니시카를 찾아갑니다. 매춘 클럽으로 팔려간 니시카는 레오가 찾으러 오길 기다렸던 듯.
Let's go.
I can't get you out tonight.
Fred didn't make the rendezvous. Something's wrong. A lot of money for you. They reported that gets back to the people hunting us. Just hold on a little.
쫓기는 상황이라 그녀를 데리고 갈 수 없었던 것. 밤이 되자 하늘에 뜬 달을 쳐다보는 아니타. 이 모습을 본 로라는 혼란스러운데
Anita, you need to stay inside after we go to bed.
The moon is beautiful tonight, don't you think?
쟤 감정을 가진 거야? 그게 가능해?
Don't have any thought, emotion, or awareness.
Should we be afraid of our synthesis?
Would a conscious synth have to be able to dream, to have nightmares? Of course not. They're just machines.
그런데 이게 뭐 하는 짓? 다행히 아직 자고 있는 소피.
Change pajamas, darling. The other one's awake.
I didn't change them. Can you cut off the crusts? Like Anita does.
Sure.
자신 대신 소피의 도시락도 완벽하게 담았다. 하지만 아니타 수상해.
Anita's made us chicken chasseur tonight.
But I'm watching you.
I'm watching you too, Laura. You're right in front of me.
대답까지 의미 있게 들려. 한편 잡혀온 프레드.
Our companies have funded your operation for years. All because you claim there are a handful of synthetics.
Robert, these machines are conscious. Master gave them conscious. If it can be done for the few, it can be done for the more. Do you think they would still want to be slaves?
AI가 의식을 갖게 되는 것. 에드윈은 바로 이걸 걱정하고 있었던 건데.
He's the Mona Lisa. He's penicillin. He's the atom bomb.
시간이 흐르고 프레드의 기억들 속에서 어떤 주강난 기억 속 그녀를 발견합니다. 아니타? 빙고. 피트 역시 아픈 아내 때문에 휴머노이드를 구입했는데
You walked 122 steps today, a personal best since the accident.
I'm gonna have a soak.
근데 피트의 기분이 들어. 하지만 역시 누군가를 케어한다는 건 더럽게 힘들어.
Simon.
어쩔 수 없이 아내 케어는 전문 신스에게 맡기는 걸로.
I made you sandwiches to take to work.
너 같음 먹겠냐?
Peter, you forgot these.
What a beefcake.
Just drive!
500년 묵은 짜증이 확 올라온 피트.
What if you can't find her?
Because I love her. She loves me.
아니타 찾기를 멈추지 않을 레오는 그렇게 밤을 보내고
Let's go see this K back.
다시 아니타를 찾기 위한 하루가 시작됩니다.
We were made. Our father designed me to be a certain way.
When I look at you and I see a design, I see my brother.
If I tell you to run, run.
Salam Siddiq sent me.
얘네들이 다른 신스 가족들을 잡아가 팔아 넘겨버린 것.
How'd you know Salim? Remember when you and him got busted fencing those stolen EXULs? Don't know why he wants it. Have you seen her?
He owes me money. This one will pay off a chunk.
당연히 알려줄 리가 없음.
Tell me what you did with the synth and I'm gone.
I sorted her out so they could sell her on.
맞는 것보다 그녀가 다른 존재가 되어버렸다는 게 더 아픈 레오.
What the hell are you?
그곳에서 겨우 빠져나갑니다. 주지에게 또 불청객이.
How did he hide?
In the shed. Well, I recycled them.
Just as well I brought this one along then, isn't it? Shall we get on with the forms?
There is mold on the skirting board. I'm here to take care of you, George.
안 돼, 어디?
Ah, shooting pain. Ooh, it's better.
학교에서 신스를 납치해 뭔가를 시도하려던 마틸다.
If this works, we'll be added as hidden secondary users. I've done this wrong. I've just broke 20 grams worth of school equipment.
Legal programming modification in progress.
Shit, I didn't
실패했다. 튀어.
Modification. School board has been notified.
Laura Hawkins.
이 일로 로라는 학교에 가게 됩니다.
Modifying synthetics is not only illegal, it's also dangerous.
My daughter has said she didn't do it, so until you come up with some evidence to the contrary, that's how we'll proceed.
오, 역시 엄마.
Don't do anything to Anita.
Synths steal their jobs, they steal the synths. Makes sense to me.
Okay.
피트는 신스를 잡아다 몰래 팔아치우는 사일러스 무리들을 검거합니다.
Report that you'll do twice as well.
These, they're turning everything to shit. No one else can see it.
사일러스에게 상처 입고 도망치던 레오.
We have to get our family back, Maxie. Niska's waiting for us.
그 시간 니시카는 최고 변태 손님 때문에 완전 열받아 있는 상태.
Number 7, disinfect.
하지만 감정을 통제하는 중. 아니타를 몰래 훔쳐보던 토비. 뭔가를 쥐고 있는데.
Anita, what are you doing?
I'm doing the ironing, Laura.
What are you? Oh, God.
Tegenaria domestica. The house spot.
She's watching me.
Now you just sound. What the hell is going on with you?
아니타에게 너무 예민한 로라.
One bowl of low-sodium bean broth. This meal is in keeping with your current dietary requirement.
I'd like to return my synth.
Placing or returning your assigned care unit.
Christ, you're one of them.
Please stick out your tongue.
조지를 감시하는 듯한 간병인이 들어온 듯.
Alistair would be sick to his stomach if he's seen what you've become. I helped create you.
Perhaps I could perform a soothing action.
이 집에서 내보낼 고민 중.
What are you doing?
The bulb is reaching the end of its useful life.
Put this cloth over your head.
Dr. Milliken,
Energy saving mode now.
this is an improper environment at this hour.
다시 오디와 이별. 늦은 밤 충전 중인 아니타 옆으로 다가간 토비.
Hello, Toby. Are you having trouble sleeping? I put myself in an energy saving mode during charging.
Shut your eyes again, yeah? Just pretend I'm not here.
하지만
Inappropriate physical contact between myself and secondary users. No inappropriate physical contact was made, so no information is deemed.
Why'd they have to make you so fit?
현재 분노 상태인 니시카.
I want you to be young.
No.
For the next hour, you belong to me.
도저히 참을 수 없어. 혼자서 이곳에서 나가기로 결정합니다.
Everything your men do to they want to do to you.
오 마이 갓. 신스 중 아무도 해내지 못한 자유 의지를 실행한 니시카.
Why don't you share?
같은 신스 공유를 거부하는 아니타. 마틸다는 의심스러운데. 상처가 깊어 정신을 잃은 레오를 충전시켜보는 맥스. 성공한 듯.
When synths meet each other, they share data wirelessly. Well, Anita doesn't do that.
Why don't you share data with other synths?
Sorry, Laura. I'm afraid I don't understand the question.
설마 프로그래밍 되어 있는 신스가 인간에게 거짓말을 할 수 있다는 건가? 이상하게 소름 돋은 로라는 반품해야겠다 결심한 듯.
About the behavior of my synth, recently acquired. Is it possible for them to have accidents?
그때 악몽을 꾼 소피의 울음소리.
I think you had a nightmare, that's all. Don't be frightened. Sorry, Sophie, I'm not allowed to touch you without your mummy or daddy saying it's all right.
또다시 예전의 기억이.
No harm will ever come to you.
Anita, get away from her!
Sorry, Sophie. Anita has to go away. Say goodbye.
로라의 결정을 받아들인 아니타.
Ask where you're taking me.
Back.
그 대답에 미소를 짓는데 다른 신스들을 찾기 위해 기억을 다둔 프레드에게 말을 거는 에드윈.
Now, there are 5 of you, think. One of the others, this female. You were created by David Elster. He kept your existence a secret. When he died, you ran and hid. But I do need to find them.
가만히 없자 바로 전원 어프. 아니타를 반품했다는 사실을 알고 달려가던 토비. 아니타가 아니었으면 토비는 죽었을 듯.
Share data with other synths like she's supposed to. Ask Matt. She said something about Sophie. It scared me.
Later.
You're a hero, Anita.
뒤쫓아온 가족들은 아니타를 다시 데려갑니다. 안전한 곳으로 피한 레오는 니시카가 있는 곳에서 사고가 났다는 소식을 듣게 됩니다.
Melbridge Road. That's when this goes.
한편 니시카가 살해한 남자가 발견되고 니시카는 충전 중.
Why don't you share?
보면 몰라? 난 다른 신스들과 달라. 새로 보낸 간병인 신스를 내보낼 궁리 중인 지오지.
My knee is not great. Why don't we bring my bed?
이거 뭔가 새로운 작전인 듯.
I will consult with your GP, but it seems to be a sensible idea.
와우, 가두려는 작전 성공.
George, you found me.
함께 떠날 생각? 오, 이런.
Dr. Milliken, this is highly unsafe.
달려. 아니타는 사고 후 경미한 상처와 약간의 충격에 에너지를 아껴 쓰는 중. 결국 조가 아니타의 몸을 점검하기로 합니다.
Damage must be reported directly to the insurance company by the primary user. My clothes must be removed.
Not too weird. Can't do it.
Shall I remove my own clothing, Joe?
가짜라고 생각해 조.
It's not real. It's not real.
I'm not real.
뭔가 소름 돋아.
I'll repair the damage now.
로라와 눈이 마주치자 어색해하는 조. 니시카가 살해한 남자 때문에 수사는 계속 진행되고
Clear the tarts off the street, maybe.
Madam admits she bought the synth a few weeks ago from some junk. The anti-theft chip out of its neck said something about...
This has been coming. We all know that. You're from the manufacturer. People have a right to know if their dollies are going to start strangling.
You know that. I'm as keen to find this device as you are.
사건을 은폐하려는 수작이라며 분노한 피트는 그곳에 나타난 기자와 싸움이 일어나고
Go home. You're suspended from duty. Active immediately.
Work this alone. You find the synth quietly and you contain it.
Has Niska hurt someone? I think so, yeah.
He's a modder. Works here on the SIDS.
한편 로라는 조에게 아니타가 거짓말을 했다고 계속 주장합니다.
Synthetic appliances cannot lie to humans unless
You'll always look after Sophie. What did you mean?
which I said. I will always keep Sophie safe.
It saved our son's life today.
로라만 빼고 나머지 가족들에겐 아니타가 필요한 상황.
So, can I play?
There's only 3 controllers.
Here, Laura, take my place. No! That's okay. You crack on.
로라, 따당한 거. 그들의 비상장소에 나타난 니시카.
Niska, we have to stay together.
You can't be allowed to exist. It'll be over.
하지만 그들에게서 떠나버리는데
I'd kill for an ice cream right now.
I will get you an ice cream.
헐, 위험해.
Odie, get out of the car. Go into the woods. If they find you, they'll recycle you. Don't let anyone see. Hide.
Cough off, George.
조지는 오디를 그렇게 멀리 보내기로 합니다.
You alright, mate? Hello?
방황하다 한 술집에 들어간 니시카에게 접근해 오는 한 남자. 그녀를 집까지 데려옵니다.
I'm Greg.
Candy, why are we talking? Do you want to take me to bed?
You know, a drink, a chat, a laugh.
Why?
Because I'm interested in you.
도저히 이해 못할 대답에 그냥 죽일까 고민 중. 그런데 딸이 있었어.
Candy?
충전 중인 아니타에게 다가온 마틸다.
It is not advisable to mount a direct data connection.
You're a weirdo, Anita. I'm going to find out why.
In some cases, the command list can be irreparably corrupted, causing a fatal...
멈췄다.
I'm here! Help me! Is there anything I can help you with, Matty?
헐, 뭔가 기억이 저장되어 있다. 집에 돌아온 조지. 오디는 밤새 그를 기다리는 중.
George.
로라는 아니타와 대화를 시도해봅니다.
You seem to understand things it shouldn't be possible for you to understand. Has anyone ever tried to mod you, change you?
No, Laura.
Hold out your hand, please.
Palm up. Hand is not the ideal part of my body to test for the presence of an illegal pain simulation modification.
헐,
Okay, Christ, take it out.
눈에 탄력성이. 혼란스러운 로라.
I don't forget. I don't get angry or depressed or intoxicated. I do not feel fear.
로라는 아니타의 뜬금 질문에 깜놀하는데
Who is Tom?
Never say that name again. Do you understand?
왜 저렇게 화를 내는지 알 수가 없음. 마틸다는 지난밤 아니타의 머릿속 시크릿 코드를 해커 사이트에 올려버리고 이로 인해 그녀를 찾을 가능성이 높아진 레오와 맥스.
Leo, the search. It found something.
That's Mia's root code, that's the whole thing.
사용자 추적을 시도하는 중.
We can find her.
지난밤 아니타의 이상행동으로 은밀히 그녀와 대화 중인 마틸다.
Systems are running at full capacity, Matty. Hello, Laura.
You would make a terrible spy.
What happened to Anita the other night?
Nothing. She sounded scared.
Synths can't get scared, can they?
Don't think so. And what would be the point?
기자 폭행 사건으로 정직 중인 피트.
How's gardening leave?
Bored out of my mind. What's happening with the case?
Fine. Well, can you leave then? Because some of us would like to have breakfast in peace.
나갔다 오니 집안 공기가 다르다.
And I don't think you make me happy anymore. And I would like some time apart.
She's mad.
I'm sorry.
Ever since we got that thing, this has been coming.
폭발해버린 피트.
Shut up! Pete, the deposit!
사일러스를 조사 중인 에드윈.
Installed some new software and I took my fee. 20, dark hair, looked like he was sleeping right. Him and his dolly were looking for her too.
He bled blood.
새로운 사실을 알게 됩니다.
We're looking for 4 and a human.
아니타를 찾으러 떠나기로 한 레오.
The car was unlocked.
Don't worry about that. I've got a plan to flush them out.
며칠 후 집안 식구들이 조만 남겨둔 채 외출하는 일이 일어납니다. 업무상 외출한 로라를 의심한 조는 아니타에게 그녀의 위치를 알려달라 말하고
There are 3 residents on Edmund Street with the first name Thomas.
Going out of there.
Don't do that, Joe.
You don't know how this feels.
At 5:22 p.m., Laura dialed the landline to a Mrs.
어쩔 수 없이 로라가 나간 이유를 솔직히 말해주는 아니타.
Thank you.
그리고 그날 밤 해서는 안 될 실수를 저질러 버리는 조.
Wonder what it's like, not feeling anything.
Creates the impression of passion.
Do you want to try it?
There must be physical contact with my primary user to enable activation. Anything you want.
오 마이 갓.
Anita, turn off adult mode. I don't give you permission to mention this to anyone.
Yes. May I use the bathroom?
I don't believe that Howard is close to humans as can be. I'll say the human-synth relationship is complicated.
Do you ever get scared?
I'm not built to feel fear, Mrs. Hawkins.
이런 사실도 모른 채 로라는 집으로 돌아옵니다. 집에서 쫓겨나 사무실에서 자고 있던 피트.
You got Simon, the synth.
It doesn't mean she's replaced you.
I'm redundant.
Things are shit here without you, you know. Why don't you sleep on my sofa for a couple of nights?
캐런, 무슨 생각? 레오의 메시지를 받은 마틸다는 그와 만날 약속을 하는데
45-year-old man, 6'4".
바로 뒤에
You been stood up?
You got 97.
User 885.
Is Mia with you?
Here's Mia.
이 여자.
I think your synth is my synth. This is important. She's important.
Is it okay if I go to the bathroom first, or are you going to wig about that too?
Leave your bag, or your phone, or something like that.
마틸다, 수상한데.
You need to look at it.
What is that?
Why the hell have you got my bag?
이미 마틸다는 도망가버린. 로라는 아니타를 재점검 중 새로운 사실을 알게 됩니다.
She's not brand new for a start. Your synth is at least 14 years old.
알 수 없는 코드들을 발견한 레오.
Someone that might know what this is.
현재 은퇴한 조지 멜리칸 박사를 찾으러 떠납니다.
Dr. Milliken!
You knew David Elster?
You're too young to have known David.
이게 무슨 뜻?
He loved to leave these little secret messages inside his work. And you just have to lift it. You just plug your pal in here and run the program. David was taking his research in a direction I wasn't comfortable.
그리고 레오가 데이비드의 아들임을 알게 된 조지. 그의 아들은 이미 죽은 걸로 알고 있었던 조지는 놀라워합니다.
It's not going to hurt me.
무언가를 본 레오. 인간으로 완전 무장한 니시카는 사람들의 신스를 폐기품으로 만드는 안티 신스 클럽을 가게 됩니다.
20 quid if you want to watch, 40 if you want to turn.
조심해라. 다 복수해줄 거야.
I know!
We've intercepted a call. A fight in progress at a smash club. Some woman is attacking people, not synths.
All right, let's go.
잡혀있던 신스들을 풀어주려 하지만
You can go.
당연히 자각이 없는 신스들인데 나올 리가. 그때 들이닥친 경찰. 순간 레오에게서 온 전화.
I saw something this guy.
Our father hid a program in our head. I think it's what he used to give you consciousness.
All of us. So this thing you're in. Call me right back.
Put them down. Now don't follow us, and he won't die. Remember this.
아무래도 인간에게 위험한 존재인 듯한 니시카. 로라와 조는 아니타 반품에 대해 의견 대립 중.
We're not getting rid of her. We're going to keep her. Who were you before you came here?
I don't understand the question.
I think you do.
결국 반품하자고 하는 조.
Can't get rid of someone just because they're old.
You have our keep. I'm sorry, Dad. You're part of this family.
조만 속타는 중. 한편 피트의 동료 캐런의 비밀이 밝혀집니다. 그녀 또한 인간이 아니었어. 경찰들에게서 도망가 비밀 장소로 오게 된 니시카.
I didn't destroy all his work before he died. He hid it in us.
인간들에게서 존재를 인정받을 수 있다 확신하는데 조지의 집 주소를 알려주며 숨어있으라 말하는 레오.
2 days.
Nice.
I am nice.
상처 입은 니시카는 마음이 초조해지고
Stop up here.
조지의 집에 도착합니다.
I can detect no cardiac or respiratory activity emitting electromagnetic signal. Why don't you share?
Because I'm not a synth.
You're conscious.
And once you are awake, you shall remain awake eternally.
You're like Nietzsche. David lured me over here from MIT 25 years ago now.
레오의 메시지를 받은 마틸다는 아니타를 데리고 급히 나갑니다.
Daddy's just come. Please reconsider this course of action, Maddie. It's very unsafe.
그리워하던 미아를 드디어 만난 레오. 하지만
Any inappropriate physical contact must be reported to my primary user.
There's no sign of recognition. The new program is taking hold.
There's something else in there.
Yeah, come and sit down, Anita.
It is not advisable to mount a direct data
It's
connection.
okay, Anita.
시간이 지나도록 미아의 흔적을 찾아보려 했지만
Not in there. Mia's gone like she's
I
dead.
don't think so. Can I try something?
Then what could you do that I can't?
She's yours.
No, she's not anymore.
We should go home now.
정말 이대로 끝나는 걸까? 다시 시도해보지만
24. It's raining.
Oh, stop it, stop it, pull it, pull it!
It's raining. It's raining.
재부팅. 이번엔 돌아온 거?
Unauthorized tamper in progress. Would you like to see a ladybird?
어쩔.
Where are you, baby?
My name is Anita. I will now prepare dinner.
클럽 관리인에게서 니시카의 정보를 얻은 캐런.
I uploaded it. It got taken down.
그 시간 니시카의 통화 내역과 통화 상대까지 밝혀지는데
David Elster's son, he died when he was a boy.
Drowned. Hospital records show brain death, coma. David succeeded in creating true consciousness proliferation.
You destroy the one you have here today.
Still in there. I know it.
집으로 돌아온 마틸다는 아니타의 서류들을 뒤지다가 성인 모드가 활성화된 걸 알게 됩니다.
What are you on about? Sex code. Activated Saturday.
Did you do this?
No!
It's a mistake. I'm calling the shop.
그런데 아니타를 보자
It's not a mistake, I'm sorry, I shouldn't have done it.
왜 거짓말을?
Your son had sex with us and she stopped him being run over when he does that to her.
찔리겠다 주오. 시간이 지나 숲속에 버려진 오디가 발견됩니다.
Right, okay. Leave it alone now.
하지만 사라진 오디. 미아의 꿈에서 깬 레오는
I don't know. Mia's dead, Fred's gone.
Leave me alone!
절망감에 빠져 나가버립니다.
I truly am sorry.
프레드 실험은 계속되고 다음 날 토비에게 다가간 조.
Why would you do that?
I don't know, you tell me.
Why did you tell Mum it was you?
Couldn't let her work out the truth, could I?
토비는 진실을 눈치채고 있었던 것.
Then his next ambition was you. I asked him to stop.
데이비드와 의견 대립으로 더 이상 함께 일을 하지 못했던 사실을 듣게 된 니시카.
Are you scared of pain?
I try to avoid it.
And what about death?
No, I don't fear that.
Not worried about dying, you're not really living, you're just existing.
오디의 일로 조지를 찾아온 피트.
I'm afraid that gets you 175.
오디를 숨기고 있다고 오해한 듯.
There are leaks. Effective charging.
위험한 순간
There are.
다행히 들키지 않은 니시카.
I think she's posing as a human. She's changed her eye color, wearing human clothes.
인간의 일자리를 모두 빼앗아버린 휴머노이드 때문에 인간들은 시위 중.
Every area of human life, they are coming between us. We can't even trust them not to hurt us. Yes, we are people.
이 시간 로라에게 고백하기로 결심한 조.
I messed around with Anita.
She saved our son's life. That's why you were so keen to get rid of her, isn't it? Oh, God.
Hardly a cheat.
충격받은 로라. 실험 중이던 프레드는 폐기 처분할 위기에 놓입니다.
That's Professor Edwin Hobb. He was on David's core team too for the first prototype.
그도 조지와 함께 쫓겨났다는 사실을 말하는 중 니시카는 그에게서 위험 모드를 느낍니다. 다음 날 어딘가에서 정신을 차린 프레드.
Leo Elster found something hidden in your head. Needs all of you to unlock it. People who fund my work are worried. Truth is, there'll be no great struggle between you and me.
So what do you want?
To continue David's work.
설마 자신의 욕망을 채우려는 건 아니겠지, 에드윈? 조가 집을 나간 다음 날 침울한 분위기.
I wish we never got her.
It's Tom.
No one for you to worry about.
He's shagging someone else.
Don't get to know everything.
토비를 기다리고 있었던 조.
Toe.
Don't we care about her? How can you not get that?
니시카에게 빨리 가야 하는데 레오는 지금 힘들다.
Leo will send for me as soon as he's found the others. You should be scared of me.
Being scared of you would be a real waste of my time.
그때 누군가 배를 누르는데 숲속에 버린 오디.
Human minds cannot comprehend that their creation could surpass them.
그렇게 차분하게 그곳에서 벗어난 프레드. 고장난 로봇에 정성을 다하는 그가 이해 안 되는 니시카.
Look at Odie. I don't see a synthetic. I see all those years of love looking back at me.
오디의 모든 동력 장치가 고장난 걸 알게 된 니시카가 직접 나서는데 마틸다까지 집을 나가버리고 걱정된 로라는 마틸다의 남친 집을 찾아갑니다.
Come on.
Tell me the truth.
Where have you been? When did he make you? How old are you?
9.
Oh my God.
조지와 친해진 니시카. 드디어 톰의 존재를 털어놓는 로라.
He died. I was 11. He was 5. She couldn't forgive me. When I left for university, I never went back where I was when I went to Wales. I thought if I could talk to her, maybe I'd understand what was going wrong with me.
로라와 화해하게 된 마틸다. 그런데 아니타가 이상하다. 기억이 돌아온 건가?
Don't be afraid. My name is Mia. The Anita personality identifies me as Rogue Code. Tries to delete me. My brother died too. My son, I mean. Anita's regaining control.
다시 아니타로 돌아가 버리는데
They said she was special, so I brought her to him, but she was gone. I think he might have been wrong.
아니타가 감정이 있다는 걸 알게 된 토비는 아빠 조에게 찾아갑니다.
This whole other personality inside her spoke to Mum and Matt. She can think, she can feel, and you did that to her.
레오와 니시카 등 신스 가족들 걱정에 기도까지 하는 맥스.
Just keep them safe.
그때 나타난 마틸다.
He won't want to be found.
Tough.
거의 죽어가던 레오를 발견합니다. 다시 살아나야 할 텐데.
What is he?
He's my brother. Don't be afraid of Leo. All he's ever shown me is love.
The young woman did a runner on a 40 quid fare. Left blue synth fluid on his upholstery.
Diamond, I could kiss you.
정신이 든 레오.
How?
First, I want to know everything.
Absolutely not.
Fine.
What if she's right about Mia?
그럼 한번 믿어봐. 레오는 자신의 뇌의 일부분은 기계이며 기억의 대부분은 디지털화되어 있으니 모든 과거를 보여주기랍니다.
Hated attention. Wasn't good for my mother's illness, so he moved us here. Isolated, completely private.
하지만 아내의 상태가 악화되자 아들을 맡아줄 로봇을 만들었던 것.
She was the first conscious synthetic with thoughts and feelings just like a human. She became a mother to me.
그리고 프레드와 니시카, 맥스까지.
My mother got away from her carers. She wanted to take me.
그날 사고가 났고 레오에게 다가온 이는
He stopped.
It's because I died. But my father kept me alive, saving what memories he could from my organic brain. One day he flipped, sent us away, and killed himself. She raised me as her own.
다시 한번 로라를 찾아 용서를 구하는 조.
There's gotta be people looking for her.
There are. 그때 들어온 마틸다와 레오.
I just want her back, that's all. I'll be outside till they're gone. Believe that not all human thought and emotion happened in the brain.
A storage outside the head.
The system feeding back sensory data.
미아의 코드. 눈 떠. 제발. 돌아왔다.
Are you here?
Oh, Max. Thank you.
다시 돌아온 미아 때문에 희망이 보이는데.
If any of you talk about us on the telephone or in a message, they will find us.
We'll help you because it doesn't look like anybody else is going to.
니시카를 태운 택시 기사를 만난 캐런.
Queen's Park. At the old cemetery. Saw Jill for the last time today. She filed for a divorce.
그리고 그날 밤.
What's this? Sympathy.
Don't have to call it anything.
혹시 피트를 좋아했던가? 그 시간 레오는 프레드에게서 전화를 받습니다.
Fred, they'll put a tracker on your implanted one.
I've taken every precaution.
I'm coming to get you. Where are you?
I'll meet you there.
My brother's free.
No one knows she's here, right?
I'll be back soon with the others and then we'll all leave together.
그런데 캐런은 심각 모드.
I have to go somewhere. I might not be coming back. You're my favorite person in the world.
자신의 비밀을 고백하는데
I need you to know who I am.
충격받은 피트는 바로 나가버립니다. 조의 신고로 출동한 경찰.
Driving license, please.
그런데 그때 헉! 레오와 맥스 잡힐까? 하지만 방전되어 버린 맥스.
I'm at 4%. I'm sorry, Leo, I can't. Maxie, come on, keep moving. Don't move!
We don't stay together, we'll never know.
Max, no! Max!
레오 도망가.
He's waiting. Don't be frightened. I've got a surprise for you.
캐런 또한 데이비드 박사가 만들어낸 신스. 레오가 돌아오지 않자 불길함을 느끼던 미아.
I understand a lot more about what it means to be a family.
We're not the best example.
Why not? You love each other. You only doubt it because your own mother couldn't love you.
그때 다시 집으로 들어오려는 조.
I'm not asking you to take me back. Just let me be their dad.
My name is Mia. I'm a conscious synthetic created by David Elster.
캐런은 뭔가 큰 결심 끝에 조지를 찾아옵니다. 아마도 니시카를 숨겨줬다고 확신한 듯 그녀를 본 니시카.
Beatrice.
Oh, David, what did you do?
그 시간 피트는 놀라운 사실을 알게 됩니다. 헉! 캐런?
After Leah rejected me, David realized he'd gone too far. He told us you were dead.
데이비드는 캐런을 파괴하려 했지만 실패하고 자살을 했던 것.
A mistake, Niska. He wrote a block into my root code. I've lived too long among the humans.
He left something inside us. We think it's a way to make more like us.
절대 용납할 수 없었던 캐런.
We are not a kind. We're an experiment that failed.
Don't do this.
결국 몸싸움까지 벌어지는데
Don't! Maybe she is the future of humanity.
설득하던 조지가 다가오자
No.
As passed through your kidney, you'll need surgery within the next few. We could do it, but we don't have the equipment.
The police will be coming. You need to go.
어쩔 수 없이 가야 하는 니시카.
I'm sorry.
베라도 캐런의 총에 맞아 죽고 남은 건 오디뿐.
Hello, George.
Sorry, Odie.
You have died, George.
오디도 슬픔을 느낄까? 겨우 도망쳐 프레드를 만난 레오.
It's Max. He's gone. He went into the river.
Come on.
니시카 또한 레오와 프레드와 연락을 합니다. 지금 상황에 최악의 빌런이 되어버린 조. 그때
It's my sister. This is Niska.
맥스를 구하기 위해 다시 강으로 온 레오와 프레드.
Alright, we need to get him somewhere safe fast.
조의 집에 경찰들이 들이닥치고
Let my people pull the memory, see if it saw anything, and scrap it.
That poor man. Why does she want to hurt us?
She's angry that we left her. And we mustn't tell Leo, not yet.
곧 도착한 레오.
If synthetic brains are starved of conductive fluid for too long, they can be permanently damaged.
With an electrolyte, maybe make enough.
You need to redirect all remaining power to his brain. You can do that.
위급 상황이 되자 모두들 합치는 모습 보기 좋은데
Reserve fails. We lose him.
Reserve power at less than 4%. Talk to him.
You're gonna be alright.
1%.
점점 희망이 보이는데
I think it's our plan to conquer the planet and make humanity our slaves. That was a joke.
So you can do deadpan.
뭔가를 느끼는 캐런. 다른 능력이 있는 듯. 벌써 소피와 인형놀이까지 하며 친해진 니시카. 프레드 또한 가족들과 공놀이 중.
Trying to imagine David Elster teaching you kick up. Does he crash?
It's on 90s.
Lost you there for a minute.
I think we should go inside.
에드윈을 기다린 캐런.
He made me to replace her.
You're a Sith?
They have to be stopped. I'll help you, because we were never meant to be. But when we're finished, you destroy me too.
경찰을 느끼는 프레드.
Everybody just stay calm.
I can deal with it.
Answer it.
지난밤 조의 신고로 찾아온 경찰들.
And you haven't seen the young man since?
No.
You called the police on them.
Who you were. I was
Our
worried.
brother might die because of what you did.
We do anything to keep us safe. He always has.
We leave when Max is charged.
All you've done is make things worse.
I didn't know.
미아는 조와 로라의 사이가 좋아지길 진심으로 바라는 듯.
I think you should tell him everything you told Matty about your brother.
조금은 어색한 저녁 식사 시간.
If you're all brothers and sisters and you have the same dad, how come you all look so different?
Didn't think bodies were important.
맥스의 충전이 다 끝나면 헤어질 그들.
We don't have genes to pass on.
Maybe we do.
미아는 처음 듣는 소리인 듯.
Dad had something in our heads and it needs all of us to make it work.
What is it, Leo?
I think it's a way to give consciousness to other synths.
전혀 몰랐던 사실에 충격받은 미아.
They're trying to help us. Now they think we've lied to them.
They've called the police once already, just talking about going before they can turn us in.
드디어 아침이 되고 깨어난 맥스.
Hello.
그런데
You recognize me, Max?
버그들이 늘어나고 있었던 것.
And feel without power. It can't do that. It degrades.
Secret in our head. Now it's powered up, we could try it. If it's the key to giving synths consciousness, it could bring them back.
안티신스 클럽 폭행 장면을 보도하는 뉴스가 나오자 실망한 로라.
Sophie, come here, darling. Sophie, go to your room.
Why?
Because I said so.
차가워진 분위기.
You have to go, all of you.
지금 나가면 맥스가 위험한데.
I know what I did, and I see now that it was wrong.
So hand yourself in.
They would put me down like a dog.
I'll go.
Getting my things.
하필 그때
Leo?
그 앞에 나타난 캐런.
You're not her.
I found a way we can all be safe.
You look so much like her.
오 마이 갓.
Leo,
Who's she?
she wants to hurt us.
I was wrong before. I want you all to come with me.
You can't trust her.
Leo.
그때 불량품이라며 자신은 물론 다른 신스들을 모두 없애버리려는 캐런. 과연 이들의 운명은 이렇게 끝나는 걸까? 어딘가에서 눈을 뜬 레오.
Antibiotics, nothing sinister.
모두 그곳에 누워있었다. 이들을 지켜보고 있는 캐런.
Pulling all the dangerous stuff out of their heads.
What about Leo?
Half machine, half human.
Man in charge. Who is he?
Runs a specialist group formed to locate and contain potentially dangerous synthetics.
Synthetics are just property. There's no case to argue.
이렇게 가다간 미아는 물론 모든 신스들이 다 제거될 거라는 걸 눈치챈 로라는 가족들과 방법을 의논합니다.
How Leo found you.
Road code. There might be temporary copies of what I saw. First problem, they've already taken Leah's laptop. It's in the van outside.
이들의 의식을 연결 시도 중.
It's a last chance to try, a last chance to save my...
What's the point in saving it?
Don't you want to find out?
그렇게 모두의 에너지를 모아보는데 아무 일도 일어나지 않았다.
But we're not all here, are we?
캐런도 함께해야 하는 거.
You've really got them all.
Bring Fred through, would you? Create conscious machines like Fred.
Professor.
Oh.
What have you done to me?
Actively makes me his primary user.
에드윈은 자아가 없는 순종적인 노예 같은 로봇을 원했던 것인가?
What's the upper limit for emotional synthetics worth to the economy?
There isn't one.
What will happen to the other four?
I have Elster's program. I don't need them anymore.
헉! 밖으로 나가려다 피트에게 딱 들킴.
We're trying to save them.
Mum.
도와주는데
Sure, authorize it.
No, I've got nothing to do with the case, so I thought I'd kidnap a couple of teenagers and have a nice day out.
빠르게 레오의 노트북 찾기.
Yes. Let's have a laptop.
You got it?
Right.
You tell me that wasn't Drummond with the Hawkins kids?
I want to speak to Hope right away.
When you cut out the synth part of my brain, I'll...
A working interface between the organic and synthetic part of your brain.
자신을 찾는 전화에 나간 에드윈. 그리고 들어온 캐런.
Why are you doing all this?
Because someone needs to correct your father's mistake.
맥스가 죽어가고 있음을 말하며 인간적인 면에 호소하는 레오.
Link your mind with the others, unlock the secret.
하지만
You have a life. Don't throw it away on them. Our existence can only lead to pain.
I can see a bit of all of them in you, you know.
뭔가 통한 듯 하다. 돌아서는 캐런.
You care about what happens to me. You're one of us!
에드윈이 도착하자 로라는 레오의 기억의 복사본을 가지고 있다며 당장 신스들을 보내달라 제안합니다.
They'll leave without no news tonight.
미아가 위험한데.
I'll make a T-cut across the shoulders and spine to remove most of the core intact.
Research group.
Get them ready to move. Elster too.
이제 자유가 되는 건가?
Phone call for you.
Remember where we went the day I met you?
Thank you, Laura.
If you want that laptop, you won't follow us either.
We're free.
Don't go. They'll be back. Professor Hobb has a failsafe.
We're saving a family, Joe.
데이비드 박사의 기억 중 일부분을 재생 중.
This one has been replayed a lot.
그 기억 속 자신과 닮은 레오의 엄마를 보게 된 캐런. 드디어 다시 만난 그들.
Go with Mia and the others. I'll let them go.
You pulled it off. He wants it, and I want him.
하지만 이들은 안전하지 못한데.
Fred's just transmitted their position. Can you bring them in?
헉! 어떡해?
They found us. What? How?
빨리 도망가. 빨리.
They're of our species.
Just for humans.
프레드를 의심하는 토비.
He was acting weird back at the park, mumbling, zoning out.
딱 걸림.
Did something to you, Joe! Now!
Be on long enough. We know what you did to Fred. You'll never see any of us again.
I have the code your father used to make.
It's not complete.
Keep him talking.
The cryptids of Mary Magdalene.
Told you to keep him talking. What did he say?
Goodbye.
우연히 나가고 있는 캐런을 본 피트. 이젠 털어놓을 때가 된 듯.
Why is it your job to save them?
Because of Tom. He probably had kids of his own by now.
How could you even think? I wouldn't understand. How could you keep that to yourself?
Hobbs' programming is crude, but he's netted it right into the root code.
그때 나타난 캐런.
Take a chance. She's our only hope of saving Max.
If I help you, you'll have the power to give other synthetics consciousness. The world would never be the same.
If you do it quickly, he won't have a chance to transmit.
다시 프레드의 전원을 켜고 모두의 힘을 합치는 중. 그런데
What is it? Niska?
코드가 충돌 중인 듯.
Something's infecting them.
이런 짓을 한 건 캐런.
If I help you, you will have David's power. Hundreds of millions of brand new minds waking up across the world. He wants Beatrice. I'm not her.
Didn't have a choice. You do.
과연 미아의 말에 생각이 달라질 것인가?
Must have been lonely all these years.
Babe, have you been in my bag? Cut from the flash drive.
가까운 미래 AI가 인간들 속에 들어온다면? 스웨덴의 리얼 휴먼을 리메이크한